Have you ever wondered how cells make other cells? It's a fundamental process of life, essential for everything from the tiniest bacteria to the largest whale. And it turns out that there are two main types of cell division, mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis helps us grow and heal. Meiosis? It's all about making gametes, sperm and egg cells. So why do we need a special type of division for reproduction? Let's explore. Cell division is like a cellular game of telephone, except instead of whispering messages, cells are passing on genetic information in the form of DNA. Before a cell can divide, it must first replicate its DNA so that each daughter cell receives a complete set of chromosomes. This ensures that genetic information is conserved across generations of cells. In somatic cells, which make up most of your body, the process of cell division is called mitosis. Here's how it works in a nutshell. First, the replicated chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell. Then the cell's division machinery, called the spindle apparatus, separates the copies and pulls them apart. Finally, the cell membrane pinches in and voila, we have two identical daughter cells. But when it comes to gametes, the rules are different. These specialized cells have half the number of chromosomes as any other cell in the body. That's because during sexual reproduction, two gametes fuse together to form a zygote, which then develops into an embryo. If each gamete had two sets of chromosomes, we'd end up with 4 sets in the zygote, and that's not good. So we need a type of cell division that reduces the chromosome number by half. Enter meiosis. Meiosis consists of 2 rounds of cell division, meiosis I and meiosis II. During meiosis I, homologous chromosomes, one from mom and one from dad, pair up and exchange genetic material through a process called crossing over. This is important because it creates new combinations of genes, which increases genetic variation. After crossing over, the homologous chromosomes are separated, and each daughter cell receives 1 chromosome from each pair. Now let's take a look at meiosis II. Here the sister chromatids of each chromosome are separated, resulting in 4 haploid daughter cells, each with half the number of chromosomes as the original cell. So what are the key takeaways here? First, genetic variation is crucial for the survival and adaptation of species. Meiosis contributes to this variation through 2 key mechanisms. Crossing over, which shuffles genes between homologous chromosomes, and the random assortment of chromosomes into gametes. Second, errors during meiosis can lead to aneuploidy, which is an abnormal number of chromosomes. This can cause developmental issues and is a leading cause of miscarriages. Here's a quick quiz to test your knowledge. Which type of cell division is responsible for creating gametes? If you said meiosis, you're right. What is the purpose of crossing over? To create genetic variation. And what would happen if there was an error during meiosis that resulted in an abnormal number of chromosomes? We'd get aneuploidy. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about genetics, check out our other videos. All the references used are added in the description. Until next time, stay curious.